In this video, we will walk through the basic steps required to automate and silently install Beyond Compare, which is a data comparison utility. Beyond Compare was developed by Scooter Software Incorporated, so we will navigate to the Scooter Software Downloads page. From this page, we will select the download for the Windows operating system and save the executable to our hard drive. Next, we will navigate to our Downloads folder. Right-click on the executable, select Properties, and check the box to unblock, which removes the zone identifier information. Click Apply and OK. Next, we will open an elevated command prompt, point to the executable, and add a space /help switch and hit enter. As you can see, we are presented with all the possible command line parameters for the Beyond Compare installer. We have several options to choose from, but in this example we will be using the /very silent switch to run the install in silent mode, the /log switch to aid with troubleshooting potential errors and failures, and the /no restart switch to prevent the setup from restarting the system after a successful installation. As you can see, I've added the very silent switch, the log file switch, which will generate a log file at cwindows logs, and then the log file will be called beyondcompare.log, and the no restart switch. And then I'll hit enter. We can confirm that the start menu entry, the desktop shortcut, the installation directory, and the add remove programs entry are all present. We can confirm that the log file has been created, and if we open that log file, scroll towards the bottom, we can see that the installation process succeeded. Next, we will confirm that we can open the application without any pop-ups or errors. Everything looks good. In this video, we demonstrated how to automate and silently install the Beyond Compare application. I hope this video has been helpful, and thanks for watching.